Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the long-awaited series on how we can turn trash into some usable product. Now, behind me, you can see that there is a lot of trash, plastic waste, old tires that were thrown away, and all what you can see. Even wood, trash, and all that can be used to make crude oil. Why specifically those materials? I'll give you all the samples. It's gunias, tires, plastics, wood chips, anything that has a hydrocarbon base in it can actually be used to make crude oil. This is because they all have the same chemical composition, which is hydrogen and carbon. Hydrogen and carbon are the basic blocks of hydrocarbons, all of them. That's why they have that name, hydrocarbons. So now, how do you do that? How do you turn this wood chips, used wood and all that, plastics and that, to form crude oil? You use this machine. This machine right here gasifies all what you saw as plastic and tires and all that, gasifies them into a flammable vapor, which is then condensed to form the crude oil. And whatever has not condensed, which are the non-condensable gases, LPG, mostly containing methane, propane, and butane, can actually be used to power the machine. That's why the machine is kind of it's actually self-sufficient. So once you put all this in this machine, you have to seal it airtight so that there is no oxygen that enters it. You know, once oxygen is present, what you have is combustion and not gasification. So now, after gasification, this syngas is cooled to form crude oil. I'll actually show you a sample right here. This is some of the crude oil that I made myself using this machine. Not the point. The point is this. You take trash, old plastics, tires, and whatever you see that is made of hydrocarbon base. You put it in this machine under very airtight conditions that you let no oxygen in it. You will gasify the material once you burn this entire confinement. Cool whatever vapors you get, and the non-condensable gases can actually be used as fuel to power the machine. And that's why the machine is self-sufficient. So some of you will see this as free energy devices. No, not that this is not free energy. No. In fact, if you take the total energy stored in the chemical bonds of all this trash and these materials right here, it completely adds up to the energy recovered as crude oil and the energy used to power the machine itself. And whatever remains behind here also, like for example, right here I have a half pyrolyzed tire. As you can see, whatever is left behind is this black carbon stuff. It's the same composition as coal. It's very, very dense carbon and still scrap metal, which can then be recycled. So you have actually taken this, recovered all the energy. Whatever you are left behind with can actually continue the recycling process as energy. You know, you can take this and also burn it as coal, and whatever is left behind as this metal can actually also be recycled to form the same rebars that are used to make houses. So in short, what has I explained tonight or today? You can take trash that previously was discarded, is not in use, to recover energy from them, and also metals and all that, whatever they are composed of. While doing that, you are cleaning the environment around you and actually taking away stuff that could have produced methane. Actually, in fact, they are the reason why they are the most sources of methane, which is a potent greenhouse gas. So in the next video, I'll explain to you now how you process this crude oil into the usable, since this can't be used in a car engine, can it? No. So now how do you process this crude oil into usable products? So Stick on to the next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share the video for the YouTube algorithm to push it to the next viewer. So thank you. And don't forget, a video is coming up explaining on how you process now this crude oil to be used as gasoline, diesel, and all the advantages we get from